Well, I've been dreaming all day about rafts made of junk, sailing around with friends by my side. I could read their lives on their skin and the future in tin cans, standing in the sun like pirate bums. I could give up all your fears, find a rusty car and go drifting, and soon you'll forget everything you're supposed to need, and you're living on a raft with Luke, Mike and John.